What if I told you that the secret to staying one step ahead of everyone else isn't luck, talent, or even hard work alone? It's something simpler, something free, something you can start doing today to transform your life. Want to know what it is? It's self education, the daily habit of learning, growing, and pushing your mind forward. In this video, we are diving into why most people stay stuck, how the top 1% rise to the top, and how just 1 hour a day can unlock a future most people only dream of. Buckle up. This is going to change the way you think about success. Hello, friends. Welcome to BookTalk English, the channel where you learn powerful ideas from great books in simple English. Stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Why most people stay behind? Let's face it, the world is moving faster than ever. Technology is flipping industries upside down, skills are becoming obsolete in years, and what worked yesterday won't cut it tomorrow. If you're not growing, you're falling behind quietly, slowly, but surely. Most people don't even realize it. They're stuck on autopilot, living the same day over and over. Wake up, work, scroll, Netflix, repeat. No challenge, no growth, no progress. Why? Because they stopped learning. After school, they hit pause on curiosity. They stopped asking questions, reading books, or exploring new ideas. Their minds grow weaker, not because they're incapable, but because they're not using them. It's like letting a muscle waste away. If you don't feed your mind, you're feeding your limits. Your dreams fade, your confidence shrinks, and your potential? It stays locked away. But here's the truth, you're not stuck. You're just one decision away from breaking free. That decision? Never stop learning. The secret of high achievers. Now, let's talk about the top 1%, the people who seem unstoppable. What's their secret? It's not just talent or luck. It's a relentless habit of learning smarter. High achievers don't just work hard, they grow every single day. Take Elon Musk. He taught himself rocket science by devouring books. Warren Buffett reads 5 to 6 hours a day, calling knowledge compound interest for the mind. Oprah Winfrey credits books for her rise from poverty to global influence. These people didn't wait for life to hand them answers, they went out and found them. You don't need to read for hours like Buffett. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day, reading a book, watching an educational video, or listening to a podcast can transform your life. In a week, that's 3.5 hours. In a year, that's 180 hours of growth. Imagine where you could be 1 year from now if you started today. The top 1% aren't superhuman, they just made learning a habit. And you can too. The power of 1 hour a day. Let's do some math that could change your life. 1 hour a day of learning equals 7 hours a week, 30 hours a month, and 365 hours a year. That's like taking 9 college courses without paying a dime or leaving your house. Imagine spending that are learning about money, budgeting, investing, building wealth. In a year, you'd know more about finance than 99% of people. Or what about health? Study nutrition, fitness, or sleep, and you could transform your body and energy. Maybe you choose leadership or communication, skills that make you magnetic in any room. You don't need a full hour at once. Break it up: 20 minutes reading in the morning, 20 minutes listening to an audiobook on your commute, 20 minutes watching a YouTube tutorial before bed. Consistency is the key. 1 hour a day isn't just learning, it's building a bridge to the person you want to become. What to learn? The 4 pillars of power. So, what should you learn? Focus on these 4 pillars to build a life of strength, freedom, and confidence. Learn about yourself. Self-awareness is the foundation of success. Why do you procrastinate? What triggers your emotions? Study psychology, journal your thoughts, and understand your strengths and weaknesses. When you master your mind, you master your life. Learn about money. Money controls so much: where you live, how you spend your time, your freedom. Yet most people never learn how it works. Study personal finance, investing, and budgeting. Read books, watch videos, listen to experts. When you understand money, you stop fearing it and start mastering it. Learn skills. Skills make you valuable. Communication, coding, design, leadership, these are your tickets to opportunity. Pick 1 or 2 high-demand skills, practice daily, and build a portfolio. Skills don't just pay the bills, they buy you freedom. Learn about people. Life is relationships. Study human behavior, communication, and empathy. Learn to listen, negotiate, and inspire. These power skills make you a better leader, friend, and partner, setting you apart in every area of life. Break the mental blocks. Why don't more people learn daily? It's not lack of access, it's mental blocks. Let's crush them. I don't have time. Everyone has 24 hours. Replace 30 minutes of scrolling with learning, and you've got 180 hours a year to master something new. It's not about time, it's about priorities. I'm too old. Nonsense. People in their 50s, 60s, even 70s reinvent themselves. Your brain can grow at any age. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is now. I'm not smart enough. Intelligence isn't fixed, it's built. Every book you read, every question you ask makes you sharper. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to start trying. It's too hard. Sure, learning can be tough. But staying stuck? That's harder. Living with regret? That's the hardest. Choose the heart that leads to growth, not frustration. These are lies, not truths. Break them, and nothing can stop you. Make learning a lifestyle. Learning isn't a chore, it's a gift. It's your key to unlocking your potential. To make it a lifestyle, carry a book everywhere. Read a page in line or on a break. Turn your phone into a classroom. Follow creators who inspire and educate. Unfollow noise. Keep a journal of what you learn, quotes, ideas, lessons. It's your personal treasure. Track your progress and celebrate small wins. Finished a book? Learned a new skill? That's worth celebrating. Make it fun. Mix up podcasts, documentaries, and blogs. Learn with friends or join online communities. When learning becomes who you are, not just what you do, you'll naturally seek answers, ask better questions, and grow without being told to. That's the mindset that takes you further than any degree. Education is freedom. Education isn't just about facts, it's about freedom. The freedom to choose your future, protect your family, and walk through life with confidence. Knowledge kills fear. When you understand money, you don't fear bills. When you master skills, you don't fear job loss. When you learn about people, you don't fear conflict. Self-education gives you control. You don't need to wait for a savior or rely on luck. Books, podcasts, videos, they're all out there, mostly free. History is full of people who used self-education to escape poverty, build empires, and change the world. You can too. Every lesson you learn is a brick in the foundation of a new life. Don't underestimate what 1 year of learning can do. Your future starts now. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to move fast or impress anyone. All you need is to start. Right now. One page, one video, one question. Champions aren't built overnight, they're built quietly, consistently, day by day. The best investment you'll ever make is in you. Your mind, your growth, your future. Every day you learn, you plant seeds of strength, wisdom, and freedom. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it's now. So, what will you learn today? What step will you take to become 1% better than yesterday? The future you will either thank you or wish you had started. Choose gratitude over regret. If this video inspired you, don't stop here. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join a community of learners who refuse to stay stuck. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to learn today? Let's hold each other accountable. And if you want more tips on building habits that change your life, check out the video linked on screen. Your future starts now. Go make it happen.